Welcome back to Advanced English for Free. Today, we're diving deep into the world of punctuation and exploring one of the most versatile and often misunderstood punctuation marks, the colon. But before we unravel its mysteries, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an exciting lesson in Advanced English. 1. Definition and basic usage. Alright, let's kick things off by defining what a colon is. Simply put, a colon is a punctuation mark that looks like two dots stacked on top of each other. It's like a punctuation superhero connecting ideas and providing clarity in your sentences. The most basic use of a colon is to introduce a list or an explanation. Example 1. My favorite fruits are apples, bananas, and oranges. Example 2. The recipe requires 3 main ingredients: flour, sugar, and eggs. 2. Introducing a quotation. But wait, there's more. A colon can also introduce a quotation or a piece of dialogue. Emphasizing what comes next is important. Example 3. Shakespeare's famous line still resonates with us today. To be or not to be, that is the question. Example 4 is Albert Einstein once said, imagination is more important than knowledge. 3. Expanding on an idea. Now, let's explore how a colon can be used to expand on an idea. It's like a bridge that takes you deeper into the thought. Example 5. The solution is simple. Work hard and stay focused. Example 6. There's one thing we all need to succeed. Determination. 4. Time and ratios. Get ready for some more advanced uses. Colons can indicate time and ratios. Example 7. The train departs at 7 p.m. Example 8. The ratio of men to women in the room is 3 to 2. 5. Titles and subtitles. Did you know that colons are your best friend when it comes to titles and subtitles? They add the professional touch. Example 9. The art of cooking, mastering culinary skills. Example 10. Exploring the universe, a journey through space and time. 6. Emphasizing a point. Last but not least, colons can be used for emphasis. When you want to make a point, use a colon to draw attention. Example 11. His advice was clear: never give up on your dreams. Example 12. Here's the secret to success: hard work and perseverance. There you have it, folks, the many usages of the versatile colon. It's not just a dot. It's a powerful tool that can elevate your writing and communication skills. So remember to use it wisely and make your sentences shine. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to comment below with any questions or suggestions for future lessons. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep mastering the art of advanced English. Thanks for watching. And as always, this is Advanced English for Free, signing off. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons.